Hi, welcome to hisvision.com. Today we'll be doing training on Fort Myers Christian Outreach Center. We're actually going to be discussing the caching that is included in in the site. We're actually using a component called Jot Cache, as you can see here. Now, what Jot Cache does is it actually builds a cache of all the files that it needs so that the pages load extremely fast. Without the caching, these pages would actually take like 20 minutes to load. We were having caching issues before with the built-in Joomla cache, which is here under global configuration. And if you see system here, you have caching is turned off here. So the Joomla built-in Joomla cache is turned off. There was an issue with this particular template in that cache that has been yet to be unsolved by programmers. So we have a component that handles our caching here. So now let's say, for example, you hear contact us, and anytime you add a make a change to a page, for example, let's go to give tithes and offerings. Okay, let's add a module here on the home page. So let's go to module. Okay, and we're going to go new. Come on, baby. And we're going to go custom HTML. And we're just going to call it number one. This is just a test. We'll just go test. Okay. And we're going to put it in the content top position, which is, actually, let's just go ahead and look at that right fast. FMCOC uses this template, Cerillion. And the module positions are, you'll see, go to features, module positions. The module positions, we're going to put it as in content top, which is to the left of sidebar. It's got A, B, and C. We're just going to choose one. So we're going to go content top. Let's see, content, where's it at? Content top A. Make sure it's published. We're going to go to custom output. It's just going to be test and the output. And we're going to assign this on all pages except, wait, only on the pages selected. We're going to deselect that list, and we're going to choose just the home page. We're going to click save. Okay, and we're going to refresh the home page. Just wait till this actually refreshes and saves here. Okay. Alright, now we're going to refresh the home page, and you'll notice here that that the number one, it should have shown up in either here or here. I forgot the ordering in this position here, but you don't see it. So each time you make a change on the site, after you make the change to whatever page it's actually made to, you'll need to go into components, Jot Cache, and you'll need to find that page. So for example, if the page is men's ministry, you would just do a quick search, men's. Okay, oops, that's men's. Men's. Okay, and here's men's ministry, and you would delete that. But this isn't the page we're actually gonna. The home page is actually just titled Fort Myers Christian Outreach Center. That's like the only Fort Myers Christian Outreach Center. Notice here it says Fort Myers up here. It's the only exception. The home page. It's right here. And if you want to test it to make sure, just go ahead and click. You'll notice here this is on the home page. But now the reason the info didn't change is because this page is actually only showing what is cached, not the new changes, but only cache content. Now, in order to reset this page after changes, you'll have to go in and delete Fort Myers Christian Outreach Center. Then come into the home page and refresh. Okay. Now notice it's taking quite a bit longer to load. The reason why it's taking quite a bit longer to load is because it's now rebuilding the cache for that particular page. So anytime you make changes to the site, after you make the changes, it's imperative to delete that page from the cache and then go to the page in a browser and then revisit the page in the browser, and the cache will automatically rebuild that cache for that page. And so once the page is done, it should be fast, and it should load fast. And you can visit it in the same browser or a different browser here. Okay, there we go. And here's test. Notice it showed up this time. Now, if you go visit any other browser,